We outside. Hi guys, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. Yes guys, so today I'm outside roasting some breadfruit on the coal stove, and also I will prepare some Jamaican curry chicken. Yes guys, so if you're interested in the video, stick around and remember to subscribe, share the video to others, and when you do so guys, remember to give me a thumbs up. So far, I'm not sure how I go on. So okay guys, here I am going to catch the coal. So I have coal in a bag that I'm going to add to catch it. So I'm not an expert, but you know, I grew up seeing my grandmother and my parents, they use a coal stove sometimes, like when we gas down or so. And you know the gas truck not come in time, so I'm gonna try to do it. I don't know if I remember how to do it, but anyways, you know, if I'm not try, I'm not gonna know. So let's put some in there, but I'm gonna be using some kerosene oil to light it. So this is, so guys, I added my kerosene oil on the coal already, so I'm trying to use the matches to catch the coal, but the place was so windy, so every time I struck the matches, the fire just went out. So you know, I also added some dry sticks to it. I was told that when I use a dry stick, it will let it catch faster. Alright, so because of the breeze blowing continuously, so the coal will catch fast, especially if you have a good coal will burn nicely. Yeah, so I'm just using a cover to just fan it, so you know the fire can burn faster before I add the breadfruit. Now guys, I added more coal because that amount of coal couldn't do anything. So I'm gonna just add some more, and you know, I'm just fanning it. As you can see, when I fan it, the fire becomes bigger. So I'm going to add the breadfruit on it. But before I do so, I'm going to remove the stem of the breadfruit. So I had a little help from my mother, so she was the one removing it. So guys, that day the sun was extremely hot, and so I had to move quickly and go back inside, you know, under the shade. Then I continuously monitor the breadfruit, because you know, once the fire start blaze or the coal start burn good, then you know we don't want it to burn, so we have to monitor it. Now guys, I am adding 3 breadfruit on the coal stove. Now if your coal stove is not as big as mine, then you know you can always add 2, or if you want to add 1. But you know, after a time the fire gonna get bigger when the coal start burn more. So even if it seems as if the fire in on the coal small, just add the breadfruit and keep fanning it as you see I'm doing. And when the breeze blow and you fan the coal, then afterwards it will start burning better. Alright. So now guys, it's time for me to turn the breadfruit to the other side. Now I normally use like a paper bag. I don't know what you guys use, but trust me guys, the fire heat bad. So even though I'm using the paper bag and it covers a portion of my hand, the heat was still on me. So whatever you use to turn the breadfruit, you can comment down below and tell me what you use. You know, I could try out yours as well. So you know, each time I just check on the breadfruit and turn it, and you know, soon it will be finished. So guys, when you see, like, if you're using the coal and you realize that, as I said earlier, the fire is low underneath it, you could just fan it just to get it bigger. And also if you see like the coal reducing, you can always add more. Alright, so now it's time for me to remove the breadfruit. They're all roasted and nice, so I'm going to remove them from the coal fire. Now guys, be gentle at this point. Remember, the breadfruit is extremely hot and you don't want to burn yourself. So if you enjoyed the content, remember to give me a thumbs up. Turn on your post notification bell if you are a subscriber. If you're not, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Turn on all notifications so you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So guys, here I season my chicken, so I'm just going to prepare it. Now guys, I will not go in details with the chicken because you know, I've done a curry chicken video before on my channel, so I will leave the link in the description box, so I'm about to check it out. So guys, I kind of lightly sear my curry powder, you know, just to bring out the flavor, and then I add the chicken. Now I removed some of the coal because I did not want the fire to be too big under the pot, and then it burned the curry as I put it in the pot. Now after I added the chicken, I'm just stirring it nice, then I'm going to cover the pot and let it come to a nice little simmer. Now guys, I'm checking on the chicken. After about 10 minutes, I'm just going to add some water that I used to rinse out the bowl, and then I'm going to add it to the pot. Now remember, as I said, if you want to know how to prepare curry chicken in details, I will leave the link in the description box of this video. Now guys, share the video. I'll be doing more outside door cooking, and if you enjoyed the video, just comment and let me know that you're enjoying it, so I'll be motivated to do more of these videos. Now you can add whatever you want to add to your curry chicken, of course. Remember, it's your food. You're the one who's going to eat it. Now I'm just gonna cover the pot and let it simmer. And trust me guys, you have to keep a close eye on this meal because the coal stove will cook very fast, as I said earlier. Now I'm just adding some vegetables to the pot, some carrot, scallion, onion, garlic. I don't add thyme to curry chicken though. The thyme kind of take away the flavor from the curry. Now if you want to add some thyme leaves to yours, you can always do that. I'm also going to add a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper because guys, I don't like pepper at all. I can't take the heat. So you're going to taste it and see whatever you want, and then you're going to add it. Now I'm just going to cover the pot and let it come to a rapid boil and then finish cook, and then I return and show you the finished product. Now guys, this is the finished product. This is how it looking. My breadfruit, they were nicely roasted, and so I did not have to fry them. Look at how delicious and juicy my curry chicken looks. And the breadfruit guys, oh my god, they were roasted to the core. They were so soft and so delicious. I love my roasted breadfruit when it's warm, so I just let it cool down to the way I can manage it on my hand, and then I peel it nicely. And trust me guys, this meal was so delicious. Trust me guys, one of the nicest food that you could ever prepare is to do it outside on your coal stove or on your wood fire. Guys, are them country style when I kind of miss, but if you have a gas stove, trust me, it it make it move faster, but the food sweeter when I cook it on the coal stove or the wood fire. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the video.